Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to the Aliens Vlog and Math Tutorial. For today, we are going to determine the principal amount of a given simple interest problem. What are the objectives of this topic or lesson? Number one, discuss principal amount. Number two, determine the formula to be used in solving principal amount. And number three, solve the value of the principal amount. Number one objective, discuss principal amount. Number two, determine the formula to be used in solving principal amount. And number three, solve the value of the principal amount. Those are the objectives that we need to meet at the end of this lesson. Always remember, be persistent. Soon you will thank yourself for not giving up. Be persistent. Soon you will thank yourself for not giving up. Let's try to unlock keywords. We are going to use P for principal amount. That is the amount of borrowed money. Rate of interest. It is the amount a lender charges a borrower and is a percentage of the principal, the amount loaned. T is the time period or term of the loan or investment. And I, amount of interest paid or received, that is the interest. F is the maturity value of the loan or investment. What is principal amount? Just like what I said a while ago, it is the amount of borrowed money. Let's try to solve the first example. If a 3-year term deposit at a bank with simple interest rate of 5% per annum, how much will he have to be deposited to earn 600 pesos of interest? Again, if a 3-year term deposit at a bank with simple interest rate of 5% per annum, how much will have to be deposited to earn 600 pesos of interest? I know all of you are excited to solve this problem. Let's start. So these are the formulas to be used or that can be used in order for us to determine the principal amount. That is, principal amount is equal to interest over the product of the rate and the time. Or it can be principal amount is equal to the final value or maturity value over 1 plus the product of rate and time. It depends on the given problem. We will be using formula depending on the given problem. What is the first step in solving this problem? Determine the given and formula to be used to solve the given problem. Let's now try to identify or determine the given. We have 3-year term, that is the time. This is the rate of interest, 5%. We have 600 pesos of interest. That means interest is equal to 600 pesos. Then rate of interest is 5% or 0.05. Time is equal to 3 years. And we are going to look for, or we are going to determine the principal amount. The next step, since we have the given, we can now identify the formula to be used. And the formula that we are going to use is principal amount is equal to the interest over the product of rate and time, since interest, rate, and time are given. And we are going to use this formula. Let's now solve the given problem. Given interest, 600 pesos. Rate of interest, 5% or 0.05. Time is 3 years. Formula is P is equal to I over RT. Interest over the product of rate and time. So we are going to substitute the given on the given formula. And it goes like this. Principal amount is equal to 600 pesos over the product of 0.05 and 3. Or 0.05 multiplied by 3. The first step, multiply 0.05 by 3. 0.05 multiplied by 3 is equal to 0.15. Then, divide 600 pesos by 0.15. 600 pesos divided by 0.15, the final answer is 4,000. You are going to deposit 4,000 pesos to gain or to earn an interest of 600 pesos with a rate of interest with a 5% rate of interest in 3 years. That is 4,000 pesos. The principal amount that you need to deposit is 4,000 pesos. Let's try another problem. What is the present value of 5,275 pesos due in 4.5 years if 8.5% interest is paid? What is the present value of 5,275.00 pesos due in 4.5 years if 8.5% interest is paid? So these are the formulas to be used. P is equal to I over RT, or P is equal to F over 1 plus RT. First step, determine the given and formula to be used to solve the given problem. What are the given? We have the final value or the maturity value, which is 5,275 pesos. We also have 4.5 years and 8.5% interest rate. That is, rate is equal to 8.5% or 0.085, and time is equal to 4.5 years. I'm sorry. And we are going to determine the principal amount of the given problem. Let's now determine the formula to be used. Since given our final value or maturity value, we also have rate and time. The formula that we are going to use is P is equal to F over 1 plus the product of rate and time. Let's now solve the given problem. Here are the given. Here is the given formula, or here's the formula to be used. We are now going to substitute the given on the given formula, and it goes like this. Principal amount is equal to 5,275.00 over 1 plus the product of 0.085 and 4.5. The first step, multiply 0.085 and 4.5. Multiply 0.085 and 4.5. That is 0.3825. 0.085 multiplied by 4.5 is 0.3825. The next step, add 1 plus 0.3825. What is the sum of 1 and 0.3825? The answer is 1.3825. The answer is 1.3825. We can now divide 5,275 by 1.3825, and the answer is 3,815.55. That could be the principal amount, or that could be the present value of the problem. Okay, I hope you were able to follow the processes that we had in order for us to solve for the value of the principal amount. Always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. I know that this time is really hard. I know that these times are really challenging because of the pandemic. Students, just like what I always tell you in my previous video, please do not give up. Keep going on. Keep on dreaming, keep on achieving your goals, whatever happens, whatever circumstances that you might encounter or you may encounter in your life. You always remember your lives are valuable. Please keep moving forward. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. See you on our next video. God bless you.